There we go.
Here's the dinner plate. He's sending me messages. Here's the dinner plate. He's very proud of it. They were so poor when they were kids. They didn't have anything to eat. How times change. Let's see that roast again. Let's just open this up again. What's that in the middle of his plate? I don't know what that would be. Let's look at that roast again. He's so proud of his smoker and his barbecue that he made. God, they didn't have anything to eat when they were kids. Yeah, it just goes to show you how times can change, hey?
There she be.